Blackout. Dancer's take position.
Wait, one dancer forgot a skirt.
He announced the next. He skipped an award.
MC को भेजो.
Ask him to take a pause.
No, let's just go with it now. Let's not change anything. We'll manage.
Stand by for AV. Go for AV.
Good show, guys. Going off the comms.
Hi everyone, welcome to Off the Comms, a show where we hang out with our friends from the events and experiential industry, and you get to see them in their non-work avatars. Our next guest has been in the industry for over 24 years with the same agency, a person who certifies perfection for every project he takes on, a man on a mission with innovation as his key mantra. You know, they say a leader takes people where they want to go, but a great leader takes people where they don't necessarily want to go, but ought to be. With that, I'd like to welcome Mr. Rajesh Singh. Mr. Singh, welcome to Off the Comms.
Hello.
And I must tell you guys this. When Rajesh used to walk into the office, background score के साथ आते थे वो है ना क्या रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं वो वाला that swag when he used to walk into the office used to be that. And मतलब एटलीस्ट मेरी तो मजाल नहीं होती थी 1 घंटा सुबह में बात करने की, and then he would warm up. I have heard everyone address you by the name Pedro.
Not everyone.
Mostly like Akshay, your friends always address you as Pedro. College friends.
Yeah, in fact, college friends didn't know my real name. Some of them still do not know my real name. That's why my email ID is pedro.rajesh. So basically, this was, I think, 92. This was my first senior year at Wilson. And it was a new college for me. As in, I was in Ismail Yusuf before this, in Jogeshwari, till 12th grade. And basically, 6 months into the college, this was my first experience with the nature club. Wilson College has a nature club, which one of my mentors, Sudhakar Solomon Raj, used to be heading that club at that time. So I had, this was my first outing, actually something to do with wild. This was the first time I had enrolled, thinking it's a picnic, and gone for this. A couple of friends who had enrolled together kind of dropped out at the last moment. So I was the bus was full of seniors and unknown people, and just breaking the ice. And I think I was performing a few jokes, Pedro jokes. This was one of the nights, the entertainment nights that happened. Right. So I kind of enacted a couple of jokes into one skit, and I was Pedro in there. And so what happened was, since I was new, people didn't really know my name. They started calling me Pedro the last 2 days of that camp. This was at Dandeli in Karnataka. And then this was Diwali vacation. So post the vacations, we all came back. And then, it started. I mean, if somebody had to call out to me, they would call out Pedro. I would respond without feeling bad of feeling ki koi chidha raha hai. It's like even if people tried to chidha, I would go as if that's my real name kind of thing. Very straight face and stuff. And so it stuck.
That gets me to the next question. How and why did you join events? Not that it's a bad thing. I'm just asking as to, how did you come into knowing about showbiz and the entire journey as to why did you join events in the first place?
Why did I join events? Well, now this was 1996. So I graduated in 95, and at that point of time, the career path for BA, BCom, or BSc would be, getting out advertising. Like a lot of seniors from college and hostel were in advertising in the big agencies of that time. So the idea was basically, there used to be this program in college called CEP, where they would pick up 50 undergrads from second year. And there would be an interview process and stuff just to give a window of what life would be post-graduation. Either you could go for further studies, or if you're looking out. So a lot of ex-students would come in from various fields and stuff. So I was kind of graded for advertising. You advertising or marketing. So the plan was either do an MBA or do some experience. So first year went in doing advertising, or that was a time when there was a channel boom. Like the early 90s is when the India had opened up to the world, so there were a lot of production houses that had come in. So a couple of seniors were working for MTV. Channel V had just started, so the exposure with scripting and stuff was more. Staying up with them in the studios when the edits were going on and stuff. So what happened was one of those times. I mean, clearly I was not cut for client servicing. I mean, I was too raw and too into college and hostel life that just coming out of it and then being serious about work was not really. It did not yet hit that this thing, especially when you were visiting your other seniors who are in media houses or production. So life was thoda sa different there. So that's then when I guess I turned into a night owl, and it was during one of those times when one of my again batchmates, Rajshri, she basically was working for Burson Master Roger Pereira. That was the PR agency, which was doing PR for showbiz at that time.
Okay.
And she told me that for a night owl, there's this one company. They are into events was not the word at that time. So they are into. They do a lot of stuff. They do fashion shows. They do product launches. It had things to do with more advertising, but the practical side of it. So, and again, being a non-MBA, just out of my chosen field of graduation of physics, so I was not much well versed with this. But again, that 1 year of advertising and stuff and the grooming had given something on brands and stuff. So, yeah. So when I entered showbiz, I didn't know where I was going. I just knew that these guys do stages. They produce fashion shows. They produce and I was not much of a fashionista, and at that point of time fashion shows was not a big I mean media just शुरू हुआ था ना, तो इतना exposure नहीं था कि क्या होता है. So yeah, that's how I went in for an interview in June of '96, and I was interviewed by Nisar Merchant, Sameer, and that's how I got in without knowing where I'm headed. What am I doing? In fact, my first job given to me was sticking labels on brochures. It was a two leaflet brochure, and my first job was a big stack of envelopes, and there was these labels with addresses on them, and I had to like.
Wow, you remember that even. And that gets me to the next segment. And I'll let Sony take you through that segment. Sony, over to you.
So what we're going to now is, is a little, it's, I think, the funniest part of our industry that exists. And we just thought that we'll give it a nice, cool terminology, For most of us, most of us, of course, have been from the agency background, and we've met several clients, we've done several presentations, we have our colleagues, and at several moments, even during normal work days, we have these really crazy moments where you come to a situation and you wonder either what this person is saying or does he really even mean that, because it ends up sounding like, did he really mean that? Does he even know, he or she? I'd like to be gender neutral here. Does he or she even know what he's saying? Or sometimes you even question yourself, कि यार ये मांग रहा है, ये possible है कि it's not possible for me. And we want in this more than 2-decade long career that you've had in events, I'm sure you have enough and more, but we want you to share with us your worst and best, moments which you've experienced.
Sony, यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ा सा ना आपको दुखी कर दूंगा, because ऐसा इंसिडेंट कि ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. Because see, the whole thing I've been here for 24 years is because of this one man, late Mr. Rehmat Ali sir. We used to call him boss. So this one man basically the whole fun of, there's nothing which is impossible. And everything that I learned from him was that basically you want things to be done, it will be done. काफी ऐसे incidents आए जहां पर overnight things needed to be done, but we managed. And I'm sorry, but a lot of my story is also story of showbiz. So वो निकलता रहेगा ऐसे. Like for
No,
example,
please.
I'll tell you an incident where overnight an entire setup had to be created, and that was a time when flex nahi hota tha. So the process would be, there would be this one wooden frame on which there would be canvas that will go, and then there's something called astar. So there would be a drawing process, and then the base color. So there would be painters who would prepare the base color, and then there would be artists who would actually spray paint the entire setup.
Yes.
So, and at that point of time, it was the Taj Mahal at Colaba and the Oberoi, which is now the Trident at Nariman Point. So these were the primary hotels which had banquet halls or the Leela at Reserve. So it used to be wall-to-wall setup. You enter the place.
Yeah, and it's a complete
stage here, but the entire environment was, and it had to be painted and stuff. And something, one big boss from a big company, old company whom we used to work with, just wanted an extension of the same in the outer lobby. As soon as the hotel said yes, we had to do it. And this was somewhere around 9 p.m. And the event was the next day around 10-ish. Breakfast पे शुरू होना था. क्या करोगे आप? सर पकड़ोगे या? So boss would say yes, हो जाएगा, and then shops would open up. So that was Rahmat Ali, and the kind of businesses that would run on this. So the paint shop opens up in the middle of the night, the hardware shop opens up, the woodwork shop opens up. Out of nowhere, painters and carpenters and everything is like from zero to the base color is ready by 3 or 4 in the morning. And the spray painters start painting their work, and so everything is set up within the hotel. Anything else that needs to be masked, which should not get spoiled, the carpet it's all done. The spray painters are here, artworks are done. You won't believe it, by 9 it was ready but wet paint.
Wow.
So 1 hour to just dry it, and that was also achieved.
Wow.
I mean, the amount of halogens, the amount of generators that but वो होता था. But एक वो time था where even the clients knew that they had asked for something which is so this thing, and they would back you with it.
Yeah.
Versus now it is more of a कि मैं client हूँ, मैंने बोला है तो होना चाहिए.
करना ही है. Correct.
पैसा ज़्यादा लगेगा, sorry boss, no budget. So
See, that was the main moment. करो but पैसा नहीं है, budget नहीं है, free में करो. But it's great to know, because this part of the events business that you spoke about, which is this, that whole, I don't think I experienced that in my 20 odd, career span. I have not experienced that because maybe I was still must be very junior when I must have just joined, and perhaps that was still happening. But thanks for sharing this, because this is that part of the events that I have not experienced. So it was great to hear that part. It's we learn every day, and this was something new I got to know about. I don't want to make you sound old, but something that existed early on.
Now I'm talking about something which was maybe 15 years ago. So
Wow.
it's something recent. It's something which, so it's like this basically. 3 दिन से event हो रहा है. Things have been set up, and there are at times we do those events where day 1 this has happened, then this changes somewhere else that is happening. And if you as a client have come on the recce and we have decided sizes, I would expect you to know sizes, right? If you're telling me 20 feet, I would expect you to know what is 20 feet. If you're saying 20 meters, I would expect you to know what is 20 meters. That's why you are here.
Correct.
After it is put up and you're telling me, oh, this is 20 feet. No, this is big. Sorry.
But Rajesh, we have something, and I'd request Megha to put up something on the screen. which is a means moment for us actually, and we wanted to ask you what this is.
So,
Sorry,
Can you see
escape
the
or double
screen?
click aa raha hai. Oops.
Did you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
So we found this picture of yours, and then we found another picture of yours, which is this. And when we saw it together, we were wondering, this is perhaps, I don't know how many years old, but is this what the industry did to you? Means it was a mean moment. So we want to know,
24,
can you tell
24
us?
years in one frame. That is 24 years in one frame.
Absolutely.
No. It's not really 24 years. So this picture is my elder brother's wedding, which could be 20 years. Yeah, 20 years. So,
in
but
20 years only the industry did this to you. Not
20
even
years.
24.
This is when I would be 24, 25. So in fact the experience and the learning which we had in the first 5 years, I can equate that to the last 1 decade or maybe more.
Wow.
तो यहाँ पे आपको ये वाइस होता हुआ बंदा दिख रहा है और यहाँ पे जो बूढ़ा बंदा है ना सब देख लिया सब हो गया है मतलब अभी क्या है सब गोरख बंदा है.
But this is a stunning transformation. So thanks for clarifying. That's not the industry that did this to you, but it's a stunning transformation. Like when we were seeing the pictures and we were wondering, I couldn't make out that the person on the left and the right is actually the same. So it was not shocking, but it was surprising that they're actually two, looks of the same person.
So our next round is called Quickies. So basically it's a rapid fire round. And हाँ खुशी देखो चेहरे पे quickies बोलते. But
I like that this is not happening.
Yeah, and it's like wow, what is this? So yeah.
आने दो.
So what is the one movie that you have watched more than 10 times?
The Rajkumar Santoshi movie.
Which one?
The Cult movie. अंदाज अपना अपना.
Which one?
Oh my god.
Oh,
My
very
God.
nice. Who's your favorite character in the movie?
Amir.
Of course.
Amar.
Oh, very nice. Mine is Gogo. I like Gogo.
Oh, great.
Because I love his cape.
I love the Gogo.
और उसका घाघरा. Okay, do you prefer whiskey or rum?
Whiskey.
Evidently.
What? Yeah. Use one word to describe the event industry. Just one word.
मेहनती.
वाह, बहुत ही बढ़िया लगा. Use one word to describe yourself.
Happy go lucky.
3 words थे, but nice words.
Happy go lucky.
वो हमेशा बोलते हैं ना I'm a happy go lucky man. I'm a happy but I'm not go lucky. ऐसा तो नहीं बोलते.
Okay, अगर आपका कोई spirit animal होता तो वो कौन सा animal होता?
घोड़ा.
कौन?
Horse.
घोड़ा. मेरे को
घोड़ा नहीं है. इवेंट का घोड़ा नहीं है.
2 मिनट क्यों घोड़ा?
यार मतलब घोड़ा होता है.
Do you prefer an award or reward?
Reward.
Nice. Have you ever climbed a cliff drunk?
Yes. Ever? What do you mean by ever?
अच्छा कितनी बार किया है? कितनी बार, कहाँ पे, क्यों, बताइए.
I off late तो नहीं, but I am an avid trekker. So काफी सारे forts around Maharashtra we would do overnight. Like Saturday को event खत्म हो गया, event से straight onto the train, reach somewhere, and of course loaded with khana and sharab. And once you reach there, so the cliff would be the place where you would want to feel the breeze, the whole thing happening. And I mean, now when I'm a dad, it's a different thing. But at that point of time, one used to feel alive doing that.
Nice. If you eat only one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Ayyo, dosa.
Tell me which are the top 3 wildlife sanctuaries that you visited in your preference?
So Kanha, Tawang, the journey Tawang, and then of course Tadoba.
Thank you so much. That was really, really good. And now we're going to move on to the next segment with Anshu. So, Anshu, over to you. We now have someone who can verify all of Rajesh's pranks. His partner in crime, Akshay Uchir. Akshay is an ace filmmaker and runs Brown Book Design and Studio in Mumbai. Welcome to Off the Tops, Akshay.
Hello, Anshu. Hi, hi.
Hi.
Okay.
So Akshay, we were all this while having fun. Rajesh was telling us a whole lot of his stories, not just from work, but his personal life as well, and what he does when he's not doing events. So we thought this was the right time to have you on to tell us how, Rajesh was before he got into events, and, tell us how the two of you met.
The first view of me, राजेश मेरे सामने से ऐसे चल के आ रहा है, ठीक है, with a pony, ठीक है, इधर like नीचे तक, like he had long hair and he's like slim and trim and चल के आ रहा है कहीं से, so it's like उसका entry हमेशा एक entry होता है, it is just not a walk, it is an entry, ठीक है, so that's how he comes. ठीक है, तो उसको एंट्री मारना तो पसंद ही है, किधर भी हो, कॉलेज हो या इवेंट हो, इट इज लाइक एंट्री. So that's how he comes in, and for at least 6 months I'm just like, मैं देख रहा हूँ इसको, कौन है बंदा पता नहीं, लेकिन he is like, लोग आते हैं तो डरते हैं कॉलेज के अंदर, अरे भाई आ गया. That is good, मतलब that's how my first encounter was.
So Akshay, I believe the two of you were not just in college together, but you've even worked together. So do you want to tell us a little bit about, both his sides, because you clearly seen both his sides.
My thing with Akshay is basically that he's a very hands-on guy. He would come he was very good with his lens. The pictures that he would take, the framing and everything. Like his dad was a photographer. So Akshay, as a junior, अक्षय के साथ मुझे याद है हम मिले थे सिक्किम में. This is basically before he came into showbiz as a photographer. He was still in college and we had gone for this camp in Sikkim, and that's where we connected.
So Akshay, tell us something about Rajesh that only his closest ones know. The deep down secrets that we should know.
बोल आज सब बोल दे.
नहीं. He is a kind of prankster, तुमको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि तुम्हारी ले रही है. मतलब दुनिया एक बाजू मतलब इस पे लगी हुई है कि यही सत्य वचन है, मतलब यही हो सकता है, इन्होंने बोला है ऐसे. So even if you are like getting fooled, तुम actually believe कर रहे हो कि wow, ये मेरे साथ हो रहा है और ये बंदा मुझे गाइड कर रहा है. हाँ, हम दूर खड़े रह के सोच रहे हैं कि हाँ ये सही गाइडेंस, मतलब इससे बेस्ट गाइडेंस तुमको लाइफ में नहीं मिलेगा ऐसा. तो ये है वो बंदा जो इंसान को, सामने वाले को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि मतलब भाई तेरी ले चुकी है. That's how
डार्क सीक्रेट था ये.
डार्क सीक्रेट है, लेकिन अभी ये डिजिटली वर्ल्ड वाइड फेमस हो जाएगा.
So we also discovered some pictures with the two of y'all, and we actually wanted y'all to tell us what is the story behind it.
Whoa!
क्या हो रहा है?
ये कौन बताएगा?
This is Kodaikanal.
एक तो मुझे बताइए इसमें से आप कहाँ हैं? राजेश, which one of these are you?
The one in the hat.
Yes.
Oh, the feather hat.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow! What? Oh my God! Very tirchi topi wale types it is.
Yeah, that was the time also. में काफी हिट था तिरछी टोपी वाले.
Actually, ये Berry Gym में. So Berry Gym is like water hole for all the animals, and it's like from सुबह 5:30 there are all animals which come to drink water over there. and there is a small cottage which is it's a forest guest house. So we were staying there, and it's a long trek from the city. I mean, the forest entrance to the Beijing. It's almost 40 kilometers. We take a walk.
So when was this? Really? It's a long time ago.
Yeah,
You want to tell us what's happening here?
I remember this thing.
तू बहुत शराब पीता था अक्षय.
Clearly.
हाँ, so this is याद है क्या कुछ ये किधर है?
हाँ मतलब I think this is Umesh's wedding. Is it?
नहीं. This is Subir Mujumdar's wedding.
All right. Okay. This is a month before I got married. कितना खुश था मैं.
तो ये सही है. Still remember कि मैं कुछ शूट में था, तुम्हारा ही इवेंट था.
2007.
हाँ, शॉर्ट्स में आया था ये शादी में, तो सब लोग मेरे साथ फोटो ले रहे थे. मतलब शादी में चड्डी पहन के कौन आता है यार?
Yeah, and this was the champagne rounds going on. So, yeah, I mean, ये जो champagne आपको दिख रही है ना, इसके बाद मतलब it was just champagnes opening up, and it was just without putting it in the glass. It was that going on, and I think everybody was drunk by the end of it.
शादी से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है किसी को. शराब पिलाओ.
This has two parts, okay? I'll quickly explain to you guys what it is. And so the first one that we're going to do is called a lip sync. It's as simple as the name, which is I'm going to lip sync something with my audio muted, and you need to guess that word. This one is for you, Rajesh, first from us. I'm going to give you two words, and after that I'm going to go off the radar, off the comms, and you guys, you have to give Akshay one word. Again, you lip sync it. Of course, this is something that I'm sure you guys, something that is a common word that is between the two of you all.
Joke.
It's an internal joke, or it could be anything that you both know. And then, of course, Akshay has to throw in one to you, So what we're going to guess is also how well you guys know each other as friends.
Repeat.
ये दो हो चुके हैं, इसके बाद एक ही रिपीट होगा.
आप तो ऐसे बोलो कि आप इस बार आप साउंड के साथ करने वाले हो.
Okay, I'll do it for the third time now, okay? I'll do it slowly. Okay, yaar, I'm doing it again for you.
Kodaikanal.
Lip sync के मैच भी तो होना चाहिए ना.
Pattumalai.
Absolutely. That was a good one. Okay, the next one now. I think this should be easy. Rajesh, this is the next one.
Is it? No. Wait.
No, we are not giving you any more hints.
Again, this is to do with the place, or is it? Akshay, को पता है क्या?
Yeah, it's a place. It's a place.
हाँ, मैं देखा, मेरे को पता चल क्या हो गया.
अक्षय तू बता अक्षय.
हमारा बचपन का घर.
अक्षय ने दिया है, अक्षय ने नाम दिया है, तो अक्षय कैसे बताएगा?
वहीनगर.
नहीं.
बचपन का घर.
I'll do it again.
हाँ. I'm sorry.
अच्छा यार, हिंट दे दो यार, हिंट दे दो. चलो, ये तो मतलब
यार आपको ना पूजा भट्ट को लाना चाहिए लिप सिंक के लिए. ये मूवीज देखी है आपने? कितने एक्सप्रेसिव लिप्स, एवरी वर्ड के लिए वो कैसे लिप्स का यूज करती थी. You should get Pooja Bhatt for this one.
I think we'll do that now. We'll put Pooja Bhatt.
मैं हिंट देता हूँ. कास्टअवे का कैरेक्टर है.
And anybody, Wilson, anybody,
Hang on.
anybody.
Absolutely, but that was not bad. This one you got it fairly easily. Okay, so now it's time for Rajesh and Akshay to take it on now. Rajesh, you go for the first one where you have to lip sync one for Akshay, and he needs to guess it, and then we'll get Akshay to do it for you.
So I'm going to add to that. Basically, it's time for you to be Pooja Bhatt.
And yeah, I'd love to see this. I'd love to see this. Good learning, please.
अक्षय के लिए मुझे कुछ lip sync करना है.
ना डार्क है कि समझ में ही नहीं आएगा. I don't know मतलब.
अरे ये
Akshay,
राजेश,
good luck.
I can't
Akshay,
see
good
you.
luck.
Okay, good luck, good luck. हाँ,
Rajesh, please mute, huh?
पाँच शब्द है.
What?
5 words English और
दम के रह जाए तो.
हाँ, तो अभी
Lip sync अभी.
अरे एक मिनट. हाँ, प्रभु. करिश्मा.
क्या है? करिश्मा.
Can I guess?
साई बाबा. साई बाबा कॉम्प्लेक्स.
So Sai Baba Colony is where Akshay used to stay, and उसकी टंकी पर ना, where I think maximum time that we have spent philosophizing about love, about everything around, with a bottle of wine, छत के ऊपर पानी का टंकी के ऊपर जाकर बैठ के और फिर लेट के, just looking at everything. And normally this would happen after work, which would be like 2 a.m. is when you meet up and social life
और
and events normally start.
जेल भी गए.
हाँ?
जेल भी गए, सुबह कोर्ट में भी गए.
पार्टी में तुमने कहा मारा है.
जेल में नहीं गए अपन, sorry.
Good one, yeah. That was an interesting story. So should we go to Akshay now? Akshay, you can't do actions, huh? This is not dumb shara. This is lip sync. Pooja Bhatt.
अरे लेकिन लिप सिंक में इतना सब चीजें हम कर रहे हो, पता कैसे चलेगा? जैसे if I say like
Freeze हो गया तू, बोलिए खत्म कर.
मेरा बाकी सब फ्रीज करके खाली लिप हिल रहा है अभी.
तो फुल स्टॉप पाने के टाइम पे लिप बंद होना चाहिए.
अच्छा रुक जा, वो वाला.
ये lip sync है, ये hand leg.
ये बॉडी सिंक हो रहा है अभी. बॉडी सिंक.
body
बॉडी
sync.
बॉडी
है.
सिंक.
ये सब गैस कर रहे हैं.
ये सब लोग कभी गैस कर रहे हैं, मैं अकेला ये सब कर रहा हूँ.
I'll be back.
Oh.
No, but that was a good one. That was a good one. I think you gave it away easily, but we'll let the body sync be a part of it. I think maybe guys we should introduce this also as a part. It helps.
Yeah, no, I think it is.
Yeah, it helps. Okay, guys. So we are going to move on to the next one now. Now this is something that you guys need to play together. So we are going to basically play a quiz. Okay. It's not a serious quiz. You guys need to have fun. But what I'm going to do is we are just going to get in Murli, our quiz master.
Okay. Let's kick off with question number 1. Every question will have a time of 15 seconds for you guys to answer. Let's start off with question number 1. Rajesh and Akshay, here we go. Okay. There is a bird which is also a fruit and also the nickname for the people of a specific country. Name the bird and your time starts now.
Kiwi.
Kiwi is right.
Oh,
That's,
that was quick.
that is really fast. The next question is a video. It may be a little loud, I don't know, but basically the question is, where do you think they are playing live, but without an audience, way back in the 70s? Check out the video.
Acropolis, Pink Floyd.
Acropolis.
Acropolis is incorrect.
Oh, अरे ग्रीस में बजा रहे हैं. Amphitheater.
Someone leaked the question paper, I see.
Okay, let me give you the answer. That was, of course, Pink Floyd playing live at Pompeii
Hey.
in 1971-72. Look at these two pictures and name a famous personality. Okay, your time starts now. Very famous personality in current affairs.
Sudhakar Salman Raj.
A very famous personality. You see Green Planet. Okay, time's up. So let me give you the answer. The answer is David Attenborough, who recently broke
Oh yeah,
the
the
record of
Yeah.
Jennifer
Planet.
Aniston on Instagram.
Correct.
World famous
The Earth.
naturalist, national treasure of Britain. It literally means the middle land between Tibet and India. What? The time starts now, so you guys can think about it. The meaning is the middle land.
Sadak?
Sorry.
Okay, time's up. That is the Spiti Valley.
You.
Oh.
यार हम स्पीति वैली गए हैं हमें ये नहीं पता था ये मिडिल लैंड है टिबेट और इंडिया के बीच का
That is the meaning of Spiti. You know, using the pictures as indicators, one is Cannes and one is Barcelona. Name a global technology event. Let me start the time now. A very famous technology event, which used to happen in Cannes and now happens in Barcelona.
This is supposed to be non-event. मुझे नहीं पता है sorry.
Okay, the answer is the Mobile World Congress, which used to happen in Cannes, right at where the film fest used to take place. Connect and name a famous Indian personality. There's a book, The Book of Indian Birds, and then there is another visual. Your time starts now. Who is a famous Indian personality connected to the book Indian Bird, the Book of Indian Birds?
Bird watcher, is it?
Charlie.
Okay, what is your answer?
Salim Ali.
Yeah, Salim Ali is right. Salim Ali
Wow.
is right.
That
Absolutely
was cool.
right. Thanks, Rajesh and Akshay. Hope to see you guys some other time.
So thanks, guys. I think that was a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun in the lip sync and the quiz. And now it's over to Girish to take us to the next piece.
Thank you, Soni. You know, I would have never guessed about these things about you, Mr. Singh. I always thought the prankster was the last word that I would have associated with you. And having said that, there is this one video that I want, because आप बताते नहीं हो सब कुछ, आपने छुपा के रखा है. हमने आपको अलग अलग तरीके से पूछा कि आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया था, वहाँ पे क्या किया था, आपने बताया नहीं. So we have no other option but to do this.
कहाँ पे क्या किया पूछा आपने?
हम बताएंगे ना सर, हम बताएंगे आपको. Megha, can we have that video?
Yeah. Hi Da.
Hi.
You are an amazing friend, but the biggest prankster I've ever come across. Sikkim was my first camp with you, and we still travel together, reminiscing good old days from Nature Club. One of the biggest mystery till date from Nature Club is Manish Moge's incident. We were in Kalimpong and it was freezing cold, and he was super upset because his bed was completely soaked in water, and he wanted to find out who did this, but the footprint led to every room. In fact, footprint followed every room, including Sudhakar sir's room. So there was no way to know who the culprit was, and till date we don't know. But I have my full doubts on you, Da. So what do you think? Did you do it?
अभी आ गई वो घड़ी.
Actually, that was Prathamesh, right?
Mr. Singh, I think it's a good opportunity to confess if you did it.
यार
बिल्कुल मत बोलना, अगला कैंप में सब पीटेंगे. अब सब छोटे बड़े हो गए.
when you're splashing water inside the window, you realize कि नीचे भी पानी गिर रहा है. फुटप्रिंट आएगा आपका, कहाँ तक जा रहे हो आप. बेटर दैट आप उल्टे ही चल के हर रूम तक जाओ.
Effort. 11 on 10 for effort.
Bhaiya, that was not Manish Moge, it was Prathamesh.
Yeah, but it was, I think, 2 or 3 of them in there, and who were doing this. So there was this one bunch who, वो जो जीता वो सिकंदर, उसमें there is this Rajput college and there is this guys who are up there, we were guys down here. So, there was, and चल रहा था वहाँ पे, मतलब आपको elite वाले हैं, ठीक है, elite हो आप, पता नहीं कौन आगे पानी डाल कर गया, किसने ऐसे फुटप्रिंट्स करे.
But this was fun. Akshay and Rajesh, thank you for this fun evening, and I hope you guys had as much fun that we, as in what we had. And post this, I think if we can meet and have a drink, it'll be brilliant to have the whole team meet. And I know for a fact that I've been saying this to everyone, and Sony has this smile on her face. But yeah.
We'll connect.
We'll connect like this.
We'll connect later.
I do connect. 1 second, but I do connect. So it'll be great if we can connect post this pandemic. But thank you so much, guys.
भैया ये तो नहीं पता, आपने बोला था पैसे मिलेंगे इसके, ये क्या कर रहे हो आप? भैया आपने कहा था पैसे देंगे.
गिरीश,
ये मेरे चक्कर में बैठे. भैया ये क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
अरे शराब भी बोला था.
सर कौन से पैसे, कहाँ के पैसे?
पियो भैया बोल रहे हैं, तुम कहाँ से आ गए?
उसने पियो भेजा था, बोला था आप बोतल खोलना, ग्लास में डालना, पियो.
Guys, thanks a lot for this wonderful evening. Cheers.
Cheers.
अरे ये तो आपका बड़ा फल है.
Yeah, first I want to ask, how should we address you, as Rajesh, Mr. Singh, because I'm very confused.
ऐसा आपको डर क्यों है?
Better responses from you now on. It's required.
अच्छा,
At this
मतलब
time, it's required.
ये सेटल वाला अंशु ने डाल दिया कि अभी तक का रिस्पॉन्सेज बहुत हैवी. तूने मेरे बारे में नहीं बोला, तूने इवेंट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, इवेंट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बोला.
It's one of the places, I think, where you went for a try.
Yeah, it's
Anshu, you gave it away. Now I'm not doing it again.
Okay,
गिव इट अवे नहीं है, बहुत सारी जगह है.
That was a good one. That was a good one. But we gave you lot of hints. But that's okay.
Good one मतलब 4 times कर दिया, destination बोल दिया, event ये
तो मतलब
यार आपको ना पूजा भट्ट को लाना चाहिए लिपसिंग के लिए. मूवीज देखी है आपने? इतने एक्सपेंसिव लिप्स, एवरी वर्ड के लिए वो कैसे लिप्स का यूज करते थे.
Says some kind of things that you need to do together, some kind of competition and some kind of fun.
You have to do something together मतलब क्या होता है? So much guys.
भैया ये नहीं पता, आपने बोला था पैसे मिलेंगे इसके, क्या कर रहे हो?
चल जनरेटर बंद कर.